Hi! So, birthday ko pala kahapon. And honestly, di ko ini-expect na magka-gift ako. Pero, nagka-gift nga. And I really appreciate this. So, vlog ko para... Wala lang, kasi appreciate ko. So, buksan natin. And also, mga memories din to galing sa kaibigan ko. So, I will truly cherish this. Hanggang tumanda po ako. Joke lang. Okay. Sirain ko na lang. Alam ko na ata ito. Hoodie nga! Wow! The red! Favorite color ko! Thank you so much for this one.
Kanino galing yan?
Kasi, malay ko, sobrang nilalamig. So, appreciate ko to. And, oh, mahilig ako
Show
sa
it!
hoodie. Mahilig ako sa hoodie.
Flex mo.
Mahilig ako sa hoodie. So, yeah, I really appreciate this. Susuotin ko to. Susuotin ko talaga to. Oh, what's next? Ito ba? Ano, save the best friend. Kasi wala na eh. Ito kaya. Ang ganda ng packaging. Ay! Yo! Lunchbox!
Kanino galing yan?
Kay Andrew. Galing Kipling pa!
Wow.
Cute. Wait! Bag siya! Gusto ko nito dati pero nakaganda lang. What?
Open mo.
Yo! Meron pa sa loob! Yung
Wow.
galing sa expo to. Hindi ko na nakuha.
Buti mo, love ka ni Andrew.
Tapos letter. Basahin ko lang doon.
Basahin mo.
Na ba?
Ngayon na, para malaman ko rin
I
naman.
read when no one's around.
No.
When
Malay
no
mo.
one's tama.
Kinukwento mo naman siya sa akin eh. Friends lang naman kayo. It's okay.
What's this? My God! I'm getting blackmailed.
What's
Ang
that?
daming picture! Puro meme ko!
Ang sweet naman ni Andrew. Tingnan mo.
Haba. Meron pa!
Ano yung mga yan? Mga
Mga blackmail photos. Kaya cute niyan.
Ang sweet ni Andrew.
Printed! Buong bond paper! Wait, saan ko ba?
Basahin mo dali lang para maano natin. Memories yan ate.
Okay. So yeah, hi, hello, happy birthday. Ha ha. I kinda came unprepared because I'm lazy. But Boo, I'm making a message for you because it's your birthday. Since it's your birthday, I wanna just make you remember some stuff because it's kind of funny. Like going back or something. Anyways, here I go. Remember grade 6? 4 years ago, COLLABS. Tanda na pa to? Technically, the first time we met was KG2. But grade 6 feels more memorable or something. But yeah, 4 years ago, we met each other or something at the COLLABS for Glee Club. You know, back then, I thought you were one of those popular girls or something. Like, you know, those mean girls. Yeah. But, like, I guess I was both wrong and correct. But yeah, you kinda, like, get it. Ha. Anyway, so, like, yeah, I just wanna say thanks for being a good friend. I just wanna say sorry because of all the stuff I did to make you this feast or something. But yeah, sorry. But yeah, wow, 15 years, good job, haha. I know that like you've been through a lot, but yeah, you pushed through. Yeah. Anyway, remember that one time we were all playing Minecraft and suddenly like decided to speak in some British accent. Man, haha, that's how our friend group got made or something. And yeah, I got closer to you and something like that. To be honest, I kinda did not expect that and I'm grateful we decided to play MC and make ways imitate British people. Anyways, you don't have a party for your birthday, right? Well, sigh too bad. Sad face. I wish I could celebrate with you or something like that, but I guess it's alright. Maybe next time, unless. But anyways, yeah, isn't that blue expo robot cute? Yeah, it's adorable. You probably did not expect that to be my gift, but yeah, expect the unexpected. Anyways, I just want to say thanks or something like that. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being a great best friend. Thank you for being you or something. To be honest, I don't know what I'm saying at this point. Anyways, I think I'll just end this message or something. Probably getting too long. Oh yeah, just to let you know, I tried my best to reduce the amount of gifts or something. You know, I was actually supposed to give a lot, but yeah, you know, I can't really do that. But yeah, I hope you have a great day. Happy birthday.
Wow. O, so ano masasabi mo sa kanya? Dahil, alam mo ba yung ganyan na tao, ate, ibig sabihin, importante ka. Kasi nagbibigay siya ng ganyan na time. Yung sulat lang na ganyan. Tapos, imagine mo, since grade 6, na ano kanya, ang tawag dito?
Notice niya ako nung grade 6.
Oh, yung 4 years ago na nun, yung memories na nasa kanya, hindi niya nakakalimutan, tanda niya. So, yung ganyan na tao, friends.
Cherish ko talaga.
Yes, cherish yung friendship niyo. So, what will you say to Andrew?
Nothing really, honestly. Thank you. Bayan, papayak tuloy ako, mama!
Muntik din ako maluha kay Andrew, ha?
Bayan!
At saka ang bait ng mama niya.
Yeah, wait talaga ng nanay niya. Thank you! Kasi, yun nga, you remembered, nung grade 6 ba tayo? I honestly didn't expect you na ma-remember mo yun. I really have nothing to say because you left me speechless with your message. Thank you and thank you for being a great best friend. Someone I can run to, someone I can trust. Di ko rin actually alam magiging close talaga tayo.
Nakray ako.
But yun nga, I guess fate decided na magiging friends talaga tayo. And I'm really happy na meet kita.
At least, happy ka. Naluha ako, my God. Na-touch ako kay Andrew. Andrew, thank you sa message mo sa anak ko. Na-appreciate ko yung, kasi yung effort niya, ate.
Yeah, the effort. Hindi ko
Tapos yung memories na since pati KG2, tapos grade 6 kayo.
Tandaan niya, nakikita niya ako. He notices me. Yun yung na-appreciate ko the most.
Yes.
Nalaman ng ibang tao
kasi
na I exist.
yung bigyan ka ng isang bagay na ganyan, importante yan, ate. Yung bang importante ka sa kanya.
Yeah.
Talagang iniingatan ka niya as a friend or best friend. Kaya yung ganyan tao, iniingatan mo rin. Ganon.
Salamat rin pa, ikaw lang yung kumanta ng happy birthday sa akin
Oh,
sa Zoom.
tingnan mo yung ganon.
Join niya ako sa Zoom, tapos kinantahan niya ako.
Wow. Sayang naman, hindi mo na video yun.
Okay. Tignan na muna tayo sa pag-e-amount. Last gift na natin. Galing ito sa best friend ko nung matagal na, since LM pa. So, salamat, Abby.
Si Abby.
Precious day. Miss ko. Oh! Oh, cute!
Wow.
May dagdag na sa plushie collection ko. Haba, pwede na ito maging unan. Dito na.
Ang cute.
Cute to, diba? Pink. Favorite color ko yung pink. Kaya natanda ko. So,
Saan mo sabi?
guess,
Kay Abby.
Oh, kay Abby? Pre, salamat! Thank you for being, yun nga, one loyal friend as well. Yung hindi talaga ako iiwanan, yung palagi nakikipag-side sa akin, yung palagi kasama ko sa gala, yung partner in crime ko. Lahat na, hindi talaga kita makakalimutan, pre. Kasi you gave me a lot of memories as well na hindi ko makakalimutan. Yeah, ayun.
Ganon talaga ang best friend. Hindi mo makakalimutan. Kasi ako, may best friend din ako na hindi ko siya nakakalimutan nung college kami.
Pre, wag mo kakalimutan pag nasa ibang school ka na, pre. Kasi wala na siya next year eh.
Talaga?
Wala na siya next year. So, wala na akong kasama sa toilet. Wala na akong kapartner.
Tapos yung red hoodie na yon, anong yon? Nakalimutan mo? Anong message mo kanino nga? Kay Jebs?
Kay Jeb. Honestly, wala akong masasabi. Cause, ano ba? Actually, hindi ko na-expect na magiging ganito tayo ka-close. Kasi nag-meet tayo ng distance learning pa lang. And ikaw yung tao na nalalaman ko ang ingay-ingay ng background. Tapos yung background mismo may kukumelong pa sa likod. Thank you kasi you guided me through academics as well. Palagi mo ako nire-remind sa homework. Tapos yun nga, yung paglalaro. Salamat sa pag-carry sa akin sa Valorant. Di na kita makakalimutan kasi why not, teacher? Kasi wala ko, you're important naman din siya sa akin. Important kayo lahat sa akin. Pero, I don't know, wala talaga masasabi. Cause, malay ko ba? Pero, alam ko, tanda ko palagi ako nilalamig. So, binigyan mo ako ng hoodie. Ito yung sinabi mo sa akin. So, I really appreciate this. Nalagaan ka to.
Anong masasabi mo ngayong birthday mo? Ay celebrate mo with your friends?
Today, June 30, 2022. Masaya. Core memory.
Sino yung mga kasama mo?
Si Marek, si Dan, CJ, si Venancio, si Jeb, si JP, si Vian,
Si Andrew.
Si Andrew.
Siyam kayo? Kala ko 10.
Kasi ako kasama.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you sa mga friends mo. Sana friends lang kayo. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye.